Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove harsh shadows caused by your lighting setup. So if you're new or starting out like me, it's important to establish the right mood and look for your video and not to lose too much credibility as a creative. Okay, so the way we're going to do this is by using a tool in Premiere Pro called HSL Secondary, which stands for Hue, Saturation and Luminance. And so the cool thing about HSL is that it gives you the freedom to pick out colours you want to correct or leave in your project without affecting the whole colour scheme of your video. And so the first thing we're going to do is select the eyedropper tool, which can be found in the key category here, and we're just going to click on the shadow, which is the bit we want to get rid of, and automatically Premiere Pro straight away calculates a hue, saturation and luminance for all three of the sliders. To see what's going to be highlighted, head over to the color grey box over here. The bit shown in blue will be corrected and everything else which is in white will be left out. So for this part, spend some time messing around with the sliders, adjusting the hue and saturation, making sure the shadows are blending in with the background. You might even have to adjust some of the saturation and contrast or even the midtones, just so the background is all looking the same colour without any harsh shadows appearing. And now you'll see the shadows are a lot softer in the background. So yeah, that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and I'll see you in the next one.